Hi everyone, Sal Khan here from Khan Academy, and I just wanted to remind you that if you're in the position to do so, to think about making a donation to Khan Academy. We are a not-for-profit organization, and we can only exist through donations from folks like yourself. And now, as we're approaching the one-year anniversary of schools in the United States and actually schools in much of the world having to shut down physically because of the pandemic, it's even more that we double down our efforts. Obviously, during the school closures, many folks leaned even more on Khan Academy. It was the place where they went to make sure that they kept pace with their classes, or if they weren't getting distance learning, that they were able to get their learning. But now, as we're starting to see the light at the end of the tunnel, I've talked about this very publicly, we really have to view this as a disaster recovery effort. Because so many students, most students arguably, have accumulated all sorts of learning loss over this past year. Some students have fallen off the radar completely. And so as we go into the end of this school year and actually the next several years, we need to make sure that there's free, accessible resources for students, for parents, and for teachers and school districts to make sure they can personalize to the needs of students. And as you can imagine, that's exactly what Khan Academy is focused on. We had over 12 billion learning minutes on Khan Academy in 2020, and we expect that that will only accelerate in the years ahead. That's 12 billion minutes of learners around the world really being able to dig into their gaps, make up for any unfinished learning, and then learn at grade level or beyond. So if you're in a position to do so, the social return on investment, the social benefit to cost ratio for Khan Academy is off the charts. And so hopefully it will make both your heart and your head feel good about the impact that you will have on millions and millions of learners today and billions of learners in the future.